Does getting a traffic ticket after a motor vehicle accident prevent you from suing for personal injuries? I'm Tom Friedman. I'm a lawyer in Nevada, and today I'm going to tell you why receiving a traffic ticket does not necessarily prevent you from bringing a claim for personal injuries after a motor vehicle accident. If you receive a ticket after an accident but you don't believe you're at fault, you may want to fight the ticket. Simply paying a ticket may be viewed as an admission that you were at fault. So in this example, Al and Peggy are involved in an auto accident. Al is driving straight through an intersection as the light is cycling from yellow to red. Peggy is making a left turn across Al's path, and Al crashes into the side of Peggy's car. Al gets a ticket for failure to use due care. Peggy gets a ticket for making an unsafe left turn. Peggy fights her ticket and then she sues Al. Can Peggy win a lawsuit against Al when she was also at fault for causing the accident? Well, the answer is maybe. Nevada is what's called a modified comparative fault state. That means if a jury finds two people are 50-50 at fault, there's no recovery. So in this situation, if Peggy sued Al and a jury said that Peggy was 50% at fault, Al was 50% at fault, Peggy would get zero. Peggy needs to show that Al is more than 50% liable if she's to recover. So let's say Peggy and Al go to trial. A jury says, you know what, Peggy's damages are $10,000. So we know her damages are $10,000. Then the jury says what? Peggy is 40% at fault. Al is 60% at fault. So the jury does math and says, all right, since Peggy is 40% at fault, her award should be $10,000, but she's 40% at fault, so 40% is deducted from the $10,000 or $4,000. So at the end, Peggy actually receives $6,000. So although Peggy was partially at fault, she was still able to recover after a motor vehicle accident. If you have any questions about how this works, please feel free to give me a call. We can talk about what's best for your particular situation. If I can't help you, I will direct you to somebody who can. And as always, thanks very much for watching.